Hello students, come to the class number 25. Class 25. See the students, in the previous class we have calculated the examples on sum and difference formula and the product formula. Let us we will continue the examples of that same what we have calculated in the previous class. Let us we will continue for the 3 marks and 5 marks questions today. Let us first I recall the formulas. You need a formula here: sin C plus sin D, first sin, then cos, sin C minus sin D, first cos, then sin, sum and difference of sin C plus sin D, sin C minus sin D, sum and difference of cos, cos C plus cos D, both cos, cos C minus cos D, both sin with negative sign, both sin with negative sign. So these are the 4 formulas here and the 4 product formulas. Using that we have calculated some 1 marks and 2 marks questions here. Let us today will go for the 3 and 5 marks questions of the same type, applying the sum and difference formula and if needed product formula also. Now let us come to the next examples. Now see the students, next example. Prove that cos 4x plus cos 3x plus cos 2x divided by sin 4x sin 3x plus of sin of 2x is equal to cot 3x, cot of 3x. Let us see this one, sum of 3 terms. Sum of the 3 terms. We have calculated sum of the 2 terms. Let us see, this is sum of the 3 terms. Here arranging taking LHS here first. LHS is equal to cos 4x cos 3x plus cos 2x divided by sin 4x plus sin 3x plus of sin of 2x. LHS taking. Here sum of 3 terms. When sum of 2 terms you have directly applied. Either sum of cos or difference of cos or sum of sin and sum of the difference of the sin. You have applied directly. When you have a sum of 2 terms. See, supposed to be 3 terms. If suppose 4 terms. If suppose sum of 5 terms at the time. So you have to arrange according to that your need here. You should take 4x and 2x one side. If you add and subtract, you will get a even number terms. 4x plus 2x, 6x. Divide by 2, 3x. You need 3x. Subtract 4x minus 2x, 2x. You will get a x. So like that you have to arrange the terms here. So you should take according to that your need. So here arranging here. Cos 4x plus cos 2x, here I am taking one side. This plus of cos 3x, third term remain as it is, divided by sin 4x plus sin 2x one side, denominator also same, plus of sin 3x as it is, plus of sin 3x as it is here. Now apply here cos C plus cos D formula, both numerator and denominator sin C plus sin D formula, apply the formula here. Now see, 2 cos, both cos here, both cos C plus D by 2, C minus D by 2, C plus D by 2, C minus D by 2. That cos 3x term remain as it is. Cos 3x term, that term remain as it is. Similarly, applying in the denominator also, first sine, then cos. First sine, then cos, sin C plus sin D. First sine, then cos, plus sine of 3x, plus of sine of 3x. So here what we have done, the students here, sum of 3 terms given here, we have arranged the sum of 2 terms one side, and for that we have applied the formula of sin C plus sin D and cos C plus cos D. Simplifying the students here. Simplifying the students here. Today I will remove the formula, students here. So once this question asked in the examination, the same question is once asked in the examination for 5 marks. Once 5 marks he asked the same question, students. So this is equal to simplification here. 2 cos C plus D by 2, 4x plus 2x by 2, 6x by 2, 3x into cos 4x minus 2x, 2x divided by 2x plus of cos 3x plus cos 3x divided by, in the denominator, same simplification, 2 times of sin 4x plus 2x by 2, 3x into cos of 4x minus 2x, 2x by 2x plus sin of 3x as it is, plus of sin of 3x as it is here. So this is equal to simplification here. See what is the common term in the numerator? Is it cos 3x is a common term? Is it possible to take common? Cos 3x. What remain? You write down 2 times of cos x plus 1. In the denominator, what is the common term? See, sin 3x is the common term. Is it possible to take outside? Sin of 3x. See what remain here? 2 cos x. After taking sin 3x, 1 remain here. Is it 2 cos x plus 1? 2 cos x plus 1 get cancelled here. What remain? Cos 3x by sin 3x. Cos 3x by sin of 3x. Is it remain? What is cos 3x by sin 3x? Cot of 3x. This is your RHS. This is your RHS. The same question once asked in the examination, students. The same question, you should practice the questions, the students here. Separately you should calculate. You see first time, and in the second time also you may see. Then the third time you have to calculate yourself without seeing the notes. You have to practice like that, the students here. First you should calculate some examples, and then you close that notebook, and separately you should calculate. Like that you have to practice, the students here. So this is 5 marks question it is. So applying cos C plus cos D here. The next, I will go for the next question, students. Next I will go for the next one. The same type 5 marks question it is. I think completed. Next I will go for the next, students. Now see the next example. Similar, same type, one more example. Prove that or show that sin 5x minus 2 times of sin of 3x plus sin x divided by cos 5x minus cos x is equal to tan x. Is equal to what you have to prove? Is equal to tan of x you have to prove. Is equal to tan of x you have to prove. Same type here in the numerator, sum of 3 terms, but 2 times of sin 3x. It is not possible to take like that also. Let us see. You take LHS, you will come to know. LHS is equal to what to do? Sin 5x minus 2 sin 3x plus sin of x divided by cos 5x minus cos of x. Cos 5x minus of cos of x. Here also arranging the terms in the numerator. Sin 5x and sin x taking one side. sin 5x plus sin x minus 2 times of sin of 3x divided by cos 5x minus cos x remain as it is. At a time you may apply that sin c plus sin d and cos c minus cos d. Applying what? Sin c plus sin d for this, cos c minus cos d for this. Applying here sin c plus sin d. You know first sin c as a 5x, d as a x, c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d minus 2 sin 3x divided by cos 5x minus of cos x, cos 5x minus of cos x. Just we have applied, we have arranged the terms sin 5x, sin x one side and minus of 2 sin 3x remain as it is. Sorry, in the denominator should also apply there cos c minus cos d, both sign with negative sign, both sign with negative sign, both sign with negative sign. 2 times of sin c plus d by 2 into sin of c minus d by 2. Simplification, this is equal to 2 into 5x plus x, 6x by 2, 3x. Simplify here. 5x minus x, 4x, 4x by 2, 2x. Minus of 2 sin 3x divided by minus of 2 sin of 5x plus x by 2, 3x. 6x it is, 6x by 2 is 3x. Similarly 5x minus x by 2, 4x divided by 2, 2x it is, sin of 2x. Now see what is the common term in the numerator? 2 sin 3x. Is it 2 sin 3x common? It is. Take common 2 sin 3x. What remain? You write down remaining cos 2x minus 1 divided by minus 2 sin 3x into sin of 2x. Is there any term get cancelled? Simplify the students. Yes. 2 sin 3x and 2 sin 3x get cancelled. What remains the students here? Cos 2x minus 1 minus sin as it is. Sin of 2x remain here. Sin of 2x remain here. What you have to prove? Tan x you have to prove. Here cos and sin is there. You should convert tan, you need sin by cos, like that you should convert. So here this cos 2x, we have a 4 types of formulas. This cos 2x has a 4 different formulas. Say cos square x minus sin square x, 1 minus 2 sin square x, 2 cos square x minus 1 divided by, and one more is 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus of tan square of x. Yes, let us substituting here. So you should tan x you need the students here. So you know in the numerator you need sin and denominator you need cos. So sin 2x has the 4 formulas here. Let us which one you have to substitute here among the 4. You need in terms of sin. Let us convert in terms of sin. This plus 1 here, this minus 1 also get cancelled. Like that you have to substitute the students here. 1 minus 2 sin square x cos 2x equal to. Here I have written all the 4 formulas students here. Whichever you need to get your RHS, according to that you should substitute the students here. So you want tan x. Tan means sin by cos you want. Numerator sin you want. So converting in terms of sin. Clear the students here? So therefore I have chosen this formula, second formula, 1 minus 2 sin square x minus 1 it is divided by this minus sin as it is, this minus sin as it is. What is sin 2x? Sin 2x, 2 formula, 2 sin x cos x and one is in terms of tan, 2 tan x divided by 1 plus tan square x. You no need in terms of that one. So you substitute, just you have substituted in terms of sin, just substitute here, cos term is there. You want denominator cos. So 2 sin x into cos x. 2 sin x into cos x. Here I have written all the formulas students here. Here I have written all the formulas here. See, whichever you need according to that you should substitute the students here. which one is formula is need according to that. So you see your RHS, what you have to prove, it depends upon that one. So now here I am removing these formulas, students, here for the simplification. See the simplification here, students. This is the simplification. Plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. What remain numerator? Minus 2 sin square x divided by minus 2 sin x into cos x. Minus 2 sin x into cos x. See what remain here? Minus of 2 get cancelled here. 1 of sin get cancelled. What remain the students here? Sin x by cos x remain. What is sin x by cos x? Tan x. This is your RHS, students, here. These are all important. This is also important example. This type of example is also asked once in the examination for 5 marks question it is. This is also the important question, students, here. This is also important. See, once again I repeat this question here. This is because 5 marks question it is, students, here. See, here I have arranged sin x, 5x and x one side. This minus 2 sin 3x as it is. This remain as it is here. At a time both for the sum and difference here I applied the formula here. Sin c plus sin d for this. Cos c minus cos d for this here applied here. Simplification. It becomes 3x. It becomes 2x. 2 sin 3x as it is. This is also same. Minus 2 sin 3x and sin of 2x it is. Applying here. Common taking sin 3x. 2 sin 3x common here. Cos 2x minus 1. Minus 2 sin 3x into sin of 2x. 2 sin x, 2 sin 3x, 2 sin 3x get cancelled here. Cos 2x minus 1 minus of sin 2x here. So the next, there is no sum sin difference formula here. So you want to prove tan x here. What I have substituted this cos 2x. Here 4 formulas I have written that cos 2x here, 4 formulas here. Among that, so the first one that in terms of sin 1 I have substituted here. 1 minus 2 sin square x. This minus of 1 as it is. So here sin 2x you need in terms of cos here. So in the denominator here 2 sin x into cos x. Plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. Minus 2 sin square x remain here. Minus 2 sin x cos x. This minus 2, 1 of sin and 1 of sin get cancelled. 1 sin x and cos x remain here. Sin x by cos x, it becomes what it is? Tan of x. So this is the second example, today's second example, students, here. The next, I will go for the next examples. Depending upon the RHS, what you required, according to that, I have told in the formulas that while proving the 4 different types of formulas of a cos 2x, the important formulas, cos 2x, sin 2x, in terms of sin, in terms of cos, these are all important formulas. Now, next, I will go for the next example, friends. Let us see the next one. Prove that, see, sin of x plus y divided by sin of x minus y is equal to tan x plus tan y divided by tan x minus of tan y. Tan x plus tan y divided by tan x minus of tan y. Taking any one, either LHS or RHS, you may prove both you will get either taking LHS, some examples you will get like that here. Either you may take RHS also, you will get LHS. Let us see first LHS taking here. LHS. Sin of x plus y divided by sin of x minus y. Sin of x plus y divided by sin of x minus y. What is sin x plus y? Expanding the formula. Sin x plus y formula. Sin x cos y plus cos x into sin y, same sign. Sin x minus y formula. Sin x minus y formula. Sin x cos y minus cos x into sin of y. So sin x plus y. Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y, denominator, sin x minus y, sin x cos y minus cos x into sin y. LHS here we have taken. Dividing dividing both numerator and denominator by what you want? Tan x you want. Cos x, cos y. Tan x in terms of tan x you want. Dividing both numerator and denominator by what it is? Cos x into cos y. Let us divide sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Dividing both numerator and denominator by what it is? Cos x into cos y. Sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. Cos x into cos y. Cos x into cos of y. Dividing both numerator. Then separately dividing, simplifying. Separately dividing here. Sin x cos y. Cos x cos y. Cos x cos y plus cos x sin y. Cos x cos y divided by sin x cos y divided by cos x cos y minus cos x sin y dividing by cos x cos y dividing by cos x cos y, dividing both numerator and denominator by. This is equal to, see, cos y get cancelled. What remain? Sin x by cos x. What is sin x by cos x? Tan x. Plus, here cos x get cancelled. What remain? Sin y by cos y. What is sin y by cos y? Tan y. Tan of y divided by cos y get cancelled. What remain? Sin x by cos x. What is sin x by cos x? Tan x. Minus of cos x and cos x get cancelled. Sin y by cos y. What is sin y by cos y? Tan y. Is it your RHS students here? This is your RHS here. This is your RHS students here. Let us see. Here I will take RHS and I will prove LHS. This is only one example. All the examples, some examples you may get here, but not all like that here. So let us see here. This example I will take RHS and I will prove LHS also. See the students here. This is your RHS here taken here. What is sin x? Tan x. What is tan y? Sin y by cos y divided by. What is tan x? Sin x by cos x minus. What is tan y? Sin y by cos y. See this one students here. I will take here just what I have done here, substituted their formulas here, tan, sin by cos. If x, y, y. Simplifying, you are taking LCM in the numerator. Cos x, cos y. Taking LCM in the numerator, cos x, cos y. What you should multiply? Cos y. Sin x into cos y. Cos y multiplying here. Cos x multiplying here plus cos x sin y. Cos x multiplying here, cos x into sin y. In the denominator also cos x, cos y LCM. Cos x, cos y LCM here in the denominator also. Multiplying by cos y. Sin x into cos y. Cos y multiplying here. Cos x multiplying by cos x minus cos x into sin y. Cos x, cos y, what I have cancelled here? Cos x, cos y get cancelled. Both the denominators. What remain? What remain? Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. What is sin x cos y plus cos x sin y? Is it a sin of x plus y? What is the denominator? Sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. What remain here? Sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. Is it a sin of x minus y? See, is it your LHS? This is your LHS. This example you may prove both the sides. So very simple. Which one you simple, you go through the students here. Which one you simple, you feel which one is the simple solution, you may go through the, not restricted either this one or that one. So but totally you should prove here. What is the thing here? Either taking here LHS, proving the RHS. Either taking RHS, proving the LHS. Clear all of you? So which one is simple, you go through that simple one. Now I will come to the next example, students. I will come to the next example. Here both the sides here we have proved here by LHS, by RHS. By LHS and RHS we have proved. Now next we will go through the next example. Now see the next, students. Prove that tan of pi by 4 plus x divided by tan of pi by 4 minus x equal to 1 plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan x whole square. 1 plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan x of whole square. Prove that 1 plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan x whole square. Taking LHS, LHS is equal to tan of pi by 4 plus x divided by pi by 4 minus of x. LHS is equal to, yes, expanding the terms here, numerator and denominator, tan x plus y formula. What is tan of x plus y formula? Tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y. Tan of x plus y, tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y. So tan of x minus y formula, expanding according to that. So tan pi by 4 plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan pi by 4 into tan x. This is the numerator. Denominator also similarly expanding, x minus y formula, difference formula. Tan of pi by 4 minus tan of x divided by 1 plus opposite sign. Numerator same, denominator is opposite. Tan pi by 4 into tan of x into tan of y. Simplify the students. Simplify yourself, you will get the result. See, you will get your RHS, simplify it, you will get the result, students here. Try to simplify it, the students. Simplify it. You will get the result, students here. Simplify remaining. Go through the students. I think, I hope you are simplifying. You will get your RHS. Are you completed, the students? Yes, try to complete it. Try to complete it, the students here. You know, what is the value of tan pi by 4? 1 plus tan x. 1 minus 1 into tan x. Wherever tan pi by 4, substitute tan pi by 4, 1, 45 degree. Yes, this is equal to 1 plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan x. You take this division in terms of multiplication. This 1 plus tan x goes to the numerator and this 1 minus tan x as it is in the denominator. See, 1 plus tan x, 1 plus tan x, 1 plus tan x whole square divided 1 minus tan x, 1 minus tan x. I think you have completed. So this is equal to 1 plus tan x by 1 minus tan x whole square. This is your RHS. I hope you have completed. Yes, next example. Go to the next example. Ready for the next example? Be ready for the next example. Here, if you know, when you calculate the examples, then only you will come to know. Practice is important. Practice makes perfect. Practice is important. Practice makes the perfect. Let us see one more example. Prove that cos pi by 4 plus x plus cos pi by 4 minus x is equal to root 2 times of cos x. Let us see this one. Take LHS. Take the LHS. LHS is equal to cos pi by 4 plus x plus pi by 4 minus x, taking LHS. See the students, if you are thinking, don't expand, it is x plus y formula, cos x plus y. Don't expand cos of x minus y. So this is one term, cos c, cos d. You consider pi by 4x as a c plus pi by 4x as a pi by 4 minus x as a d. You don't think like that. Sir, x plus y, cos x plus y formula, some formula, cos x minus y formula. That type also you will get it, but it becomes lengthy. See, this is very simple. Cos c plus cos d, what it is? Both cos. Both cos. Apply this formula. Applying this formula. See the students. 2 times cos c pi by 4 plus x d pi by 4 minus x c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. C minus d. Minus d means minus pi by 4. Or you may take like that, one more bracket. C minus d by 2. C as a pi by 4 plus x. C minus d by 4. Simplify it. 2 cos, see, pi by 4 plus pi by 4, pi by 2. Pi by 4 plus pi by 4, pi by 2. Plus x minus x get cancelled. What remain here? Pi by 2 divided by what? 2 it is. Cos of. Clear all of you? Next, similarly, cos of. See this one. Plus pi by 4 minus pi by 4 get cancelled. Minus of minus plus x. X plus x, 2x. 2x by 2. And this is equal to 2 cos pi by 4. This 2 comes to denominator. It becomes pi by 4 it is. Then this 2 get cancelled. Cos x here. What is cos pi by 4? 1 by root 2. Cos pi by 4. Cos 45 degree 1 by root 2. This 2 as it is. Into cos x. This 1 half root 2 and this 1 half root 2, 1 half root 2 get cancelled. Because 2 is taken as a root 2 into 2. 2 equal to root 2 into root 2. 2 is writing as a root 2 into root 2. This 1 root 2 get cancelled here. This 1 root 2, 1 root 2. 1 root 2 remains. So this is equal to what? Root 2 cos x. Is it your RHS? This is your root 2 cos x. This is your RHS. Yes? If you apply here cos c plus cos x plus y, it becomes lengthy, students here. You don't go through that. If only 2 terms sum it is, you apply directly cos c plus cos d. If difference, you apply difference formula. When you have same terms, cos and cos, it is not possible one term cos and one term sin. When you have both the cos terms, you may apply that formula, cos c plus cos d. Let us see next one more example. Let us see the next example. Let us see the next example. Same type. Prove that cos of 3 by 4 plus x minus 3 by 4 minus x is equal to minus root 2 sin x. Same type it is. Minus root 2 sin x. Same type. This is also the same type. You may expand same type. This one also. Let us see. So here also take LHS. LHS is equal to cos of 3 pi by 4 plus x 3 pi by 4 minus x. LHS is taken here. Applying cos c minus cos d formula. Both sign with negative sign. Both sign with negative sign. Cos c minus cos d, both sign with negative sign here. So applying here. Both sign with negative sign c plus d divided by 2 into sin c minus d by 2 c minus d. D as a 3 pi by 4 minus x divided by 2. Simplify as usually. Minus 2 times of sine of, see the plus x minus x get cancelled here. 3 pi by 4 plus 3 pi by 4, 3 pi by 4 plus 3 pi by 4, 2 times of 3 pi by 4, 3 times of, so this is 3 pi by 2. Is it clear? 3 pi by 2. Shall I write? Divided by this 2 as it is. Here we have simplified it. 3 pi by 4 plus 3 pi by 4, what it is? 2 times of 3 pi by 4. This 1 half 2 get cancelled. 3 pi by 2 remains. 3 pi by 2. This 2 as it is. Clear, friends here? Next. Into sine of, see here, plus 3 pi by 4 minus 3 pi by 4 get cancelled here. Plus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4. Plus minus x minus plus x. 2x by 2. 2x divided by 2. Shall I remove this, student? This simplification? Here I am removing this simplification. I think you have noted this one. I think you have noted this one. Yes, I will remove this one. Now see, this is equal to minus 2 sine. Is it 3 pi by 4 it becomes? That 1 half 2 get taken, this 2 taken denominator. This sine x remains here. Sine of x remain here. Let us see this one. This is equal to, I will take here only. Minus 2 times minus 2 sines. 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4 is taken as a pi minus pi by 4. Pi minus pi by 4 into sine of x. Into sine of x. See, 3 pi by 4 what I have taken? Pi minus pi by 4. 3 pi by 4 I have taken as a pi minus of pi by 4. See, 4 pi minus pi, 3 pi by 4. 4 pi minus pi, 3 pi by 4. So this is equal to minus 2 sine of pi minus pi by 4. Sine pi by 4. Which quadrant? Second quadrant. Positive it is. What is sine pi by 4? 1 by root 2. Sine pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. Into sine of x. Into sine of x. Let us simplify this one. This 2 has taken as a 1 of root 2 root 2. This root 2 get cancelled here. What remain here? Minus root 2. Minus root 2 into sine x. Same type. This is your RHS, students here. This is your RHS. See this one here. Same type, students. The next. I think you are seeing these students here. Yes. This is what? Minus of root 2 into sine of x. Minus of root 2 into sine of x. Clear all of you? Shall I repeat this one, students? Cos c minus cos d. Both sign with a negative sign. C plus d by 2. C minus d by 2. Minus 2 sine of x and x get cancelled. 3 pi by 4 plus 3 pi by 4. It becomes 3 pi by 2. It is 2 times of that 1 of 2 get cancelled here. Then this denominator 2 as it is, and it becomes a 3 pi by 4 only. And x and x, 2 and 2 get cancelled. Only sine x here. Here 3 pi by 4 plus 3 by 4. Here x get cancelled. Here 3 pi by 4. If you plus and minus, once one first term and another one the second term get cancelled here. Minus 2 into sine of 3 pi by 4. What I have written? 3 pi by 4. Pi minus of pi by 4 I have taken. 3 pi by 4 is taken as what it is? Pi minus of pi by 4. Clear all of you? 3 pi by 4 I have written as a, see how to write, you know, pi you should take and pi by 4 you should take either plus or minus. If you multiply it here, 1 pi, 4 pi, 3 pi 1. So we can take minus. So this is 3 pi by 4 is taken as like that, pi minus of 3 pi by 4. Sin pi minus second quadrant, no changes. When 1 pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, you know very well. So it is sin pi by 4. Second quadrant positivity. This negative as it is, minus 2 sin x. Sin of pi by 4 into sin x. So what is sin pi by 4? Sin 45 degree, 1 by root 2 value it is. 1 by root 2. This 1 half root 2 and 1 half root 2 get cancelled. 1 root 2 remain here. Minus root 2 sin x. Minus of root 2 sin x. This is equal to RHS. Minus of root 2 sin x. So with this, today's class, I conclude the students here. With this, I conclude the today's class. I will continue in the next class. Some more examples, same type, some more 5 marks questions. Let us have discuss here. Thank you, students. Thank you.